Today is our September 13 Hamster Kombat Daily Cipher. It's your boy Game Crack once again, and as always, we are so ready to crack some Hamster Morse code. Alright hamster detectives, it's time for the big news. Our daily cipher word for today is
Inspire.
Let's dive into deciphering the Morse code. I know by now, we all should be in our new daily cipher background, which is the red background. But if not, simply click on this daily cipher here, and immediately your background will change from blue to red. And for our Morse code Inspire, we have our letter I as short tap, and for letter N as long tap, and for letter S as short tap, for letter P as short tap, short tap, for letter I as short tap, for letter R as short tap, for our final letter E as short tap. That's it, detectives. And all these information and more I have also posted on my free Telegram channel. Link is in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon.